Welcome everybody. Today we will solve Model 1 from School Book Junior 6. Let's start. Question 1. Complete. 39 days, approximately what weeks? We will divide 39 by 7 because in 1 week has 7 days. What times 7 gives 39? The approximated number 5 times 7 gives 35. Subtract 9 minus 5, 4. So 39 equals 5 weeks and 4/7. 4/7 is a strong fraction, gives 5, 1. So 39 approximated 6 weeks. 2. The volume of a cuboid is 64 cm³ and the area of its base 16 cm². Then the height. The rule of the height equals volume over base area equals 64 over 16 equals 4 centimeter. Number 3. The real length of an insect is 0.3 millimeter and its length in a picture is 4.5 centimeter. Then the drawing scale. The drawing scale equals drawing length ratio real length. The real length is 0.3 millimeter, 0.3 millimeter, and the length in picture means drawing length 4.5 centimeter. We have to change centimeter to millimeter, multiply by 10. 4.5 times 10, 45 millimeter, and 0.3 millimeter. 45 divided by 0.3 equals 150, ratio 1. 4. The area of triangle equals half times what times what times base times height. From Junior 5. Sorry. 5. A to B equals 2 to 3 and B to C equals 3 to 5. Then A to C equals what? A to B to C. It is a combining ratio. So A to B equals 2 to 3. A takes 2, B takes 3, 2 to 3. B to C 3 to 5, 3 to 5. So A equals 2, B equals 3, C equals 5. So A to C equals 2 to 5. 6. The opposite table shows the marks of 40 students in one test, then the number of students who got less than 30 marks. The first row in the table shows the marks. Second row shows the number of students. We need less than 30, so the students who got 10 or more and 20 or more. So we'll add 10 plus 13. 10 plus 13 equals 23. The second question, choose the range of the set of values 7, 3, 6, 9, and 5. The range equals the maximum value minus minimum value. So we'll subtract 9 minus 3 equals 6. Number 2, change 3 over 4 equals in the form of decimal form. 3 over 4, the denominator is 4, so we will multiply by 25 down and up. 3 times 25, 75 over 4 times 25, 100 equals 0.75. A tractor plows 28 feddan in 4 hours, then the time which needed to plows 42 feddans. It is proportion feddan to hour. 28 feddan needs 4 hours, so 42 feddans need what hours? Time is divided equals 6. We need 6 hours. In the opposite figure, A, B, C, D is a parallelogram, so measure A, C, D equals what? From the properties of parallelogram, each two opposite angles are equal, so measure angle B equals measure angle D. Angle D equals 100. In a triangle ADC, the sum of the interior angles, angle A and angle D and angle C equals 180. So the measure of ACD equals 180 minus the sum of 100 and 35 equals 45. Number 5, 2 over 5 equals what over 15? 5 becomes 15, multiply by 3. So we multiply 2 by 3. 2 times 3 equals 6. The following data are descriptive data except we need a quantitative data, which is age. A quantitative means any data has a number. Question 3. A container has 12 liters of oil. It is wanted to put it in a small bottles. The capacity of each of them is 400 cm3. Calculate the number of bottles which needed. Number of bottles equals big capacity over small capacity. The big capacity, which is 12 liter, over 400 cm3, small capacity. We have to change liter into centimeter cube, multiply 12 by 1000. So 12,000 over 400 equals 30 bottles. MRP, the buying price of electric sets is 72,000 LE and sold it at 12% profit. Calculate the selling price. Cost price plus profit equals selling price. The line of the percent and the line of real, put here 100%. 72,000 is the buying price, which means cost price. Put 72,000 here. And sold at 12% profit. The profit 12%, put 12 here. So 100 plus 12 equals 112. We need to know the selling price. Well, time is divided, which is the answer will be 80,640. Question 4. The ratio among the measures of the angles of triangle is 2 to 3 to 4. Find the measure of each angle in this triangle. We'll write first angle to second angle to third angle to sum. The sum is 180 degree. Ratio, line to ratio, and the second line to real. The ratio is 2 to 3 to 4. The sum is 2 plus 3 plus 4 equals 9. We will put 180 under 9 times divided equals 80 degree times divided equals 60 degree times divided equals 40 degree. A metallic cube of edge length is 12 cm. It's needed to be converted into ingots in the shape of a cuboid, each of them of dimensions 3, 4, 6 cm. Calculate the number of ingots that are obtained. Number of ingots equals big volume over small volume. Big volume, it is a cube, so the volume of a cube, edge times edge times edge, over small volume, which is a cuboid, length times width times height equals 24 ingots. Question 5, part A. Two persons started a commercial business. The first paid 5,000 LE and the second paid 8,000 LE. At the end of the year, the profit was 3,900 LE. Calculate the share of each of them. It is division proportional. We'll write first person to second person to sum. The first person paid 5,000, second person paid 8,000. The sum of the money gives this profit. So 5,000 plus 8,000 equals 13,000. 13,000 gives 3,900 pound in profit. So times divided gives 2,400 pound, times divided gives 1,500. So the share of first person is 1,500 pound, and the share of second person 2,400 pounds. The following table shows the marks of 100 students in one month in math test. The marks, number of students, draw frequency curve of this distribution. We will put here the first row, second row. The first row we put here the first row, which is the mark. Each square will put 10 or more, 20 or more, 30 or more, 40 or more, and 50. And this line, the vertical line, is the number of students. Number of students. The numbers 15, 30, 40, 15, we will use the table 5 as the scale. 0, each square is increased by 5, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, and 45. Between 10 and 20, we will put the point 15. Between 10 and 20, put the point 15 here, the first point. Between 20 and 30, put 30. Between 20 and 30, put the point 30 here, second point. Between 30 and 40, put 40. Between 30 and 40, put 40, the third point. Between 40 and 50, put 15. 40 and 50, put 15, the fourth point. And the last step, join these points like this by your hand. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Goodbye.